What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Before I get started, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you know every time we post dope content. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we got some crazy giveaways coming later this year and you don't want to miss out. So for today's video, guys, I am going to be cleaning these Union Jordan 4 Guavas that, as you can see, definitely need some work. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of that with Reshoevn8r's products and hopefully get them looking brand new again. Let's get into it. Sneaker giveaways are back. That's right, guys, for the month of November, another crazy Reshoevn8r giveaway is here. We'll be giving one lucky winner a chance at winning a pair of Grateful Dead SBs in your size. And these are valued over $1,000. All you have to do to enter, guys, is make sure you're subscribed to Reshoevn8r, which you should be if you're watching this video. Follow Mini Worlds on Instagram, which you can find in the description below, and sign up for the newsletter. And one lucky winner has a chance at winning these Grateful Dead SBs, guys. But you have one more thing to do. You got to go to gleam.io, which is linked in the description as well, and answer the secret question. And that's it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. For today's video, guys, I am going to be using Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit and our brand new product, which is our drying rack and bowl combo. I definitely want to talk about this, guys, because this is gonna probably be my newest favorite product. I know the cleaning mat is my favorite product right now, but what's cool about this is not only is it a drying rack and the bowl combo, but you can also use this to store your brushes after you've used them and after they're dried. So all you gotta do is just place them on here like so, and then you can store your brushes there and just put it away in a drawer, in a cabinet, or wherever you have your cleaning products. But for this instance, I'm gonna have my bowl right here. I'm gonna grab some water and actually fill it up. To about halfway. Bring that down. Then I'm gonna grab my bottle of solution, pour a couple squirts. It's good enough. And now, I don't have to worry about making a mess. But the first step, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. All you gotta do is click these together, adjust it to the appropriate size of your shoe, put them in, and what the shoe tree is gonna help is allow me to apply more pressure on this toe box, because as you can see, there's a deep stain here that I'm gonna have to probably apply a little more pressure. So the shoe tree is definitely gonna help me there. And next step, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to go ahead and take our soft brush and clean the entire uppers. But before I go ahead and do that, I do want to talk about the materials that are on this shoe. Now, this shoe is very unique that it does have a mixture of mesh and suede materials. So I'm not entirely sure how the colors are going to interact with each other. I don't know if when I clean the suede, if it's going to bleed pink, or this mesh material, if it's going to bleed pink either. So anytime you are cleaning the shoe that you've never cleaned before, do it on a small area first. Test it like the back heel tab here, or just like a small section, just to see if it bleeds. If it doesn't, you're pretty safe to do the entire shoe. I'm not gonna test it just because I have to clean the shoe regardless, so we'll see what happens. So I went ahead and cleaned the entire right side of this shoe, and I do not see any color bleed. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick just to see if any of it comes off on the microfiber towel, which I don't believe it will. So typically you would see whatever color you're cleaning kind of bleed off onto the microfiber towel or the brush, but there's nothing here. So you're pretty safe to go ahead and just clean the entire shoe. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush, and it did clean up really well. Now, one thing I do need to do is hit up some of these deeper stains with the medium brush, but I'm gonna make sure to be really delicate because I don't wanna mess up the suede. So there's this spot here, and there's a couple on the toe box. But after that, I am gonna move on to cleaning the midsole fully with the medium brush and then move on to the outsole with the stiff brush. But before I go ahead and do that, guys, I do wanna announce that we are gonna be giving away an essential kit and a pack of wipes. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get the full details on how to enter. So there it is, guys. The entire shoe is all clean. I am done with the uppers, midsole, and outsole is now looking nice and crispy. Now there is one more step, and that's to clean the laces. But what I do have to do is put this outside, let it dry, and more than likely, once it's done, the suede is gonna be a little crunchy. So we're probably gonna have to reset the nap, but I'll show you guys how to do that step if we get to there. So I'm gonna put this to the side. You wanna grab your laces, dunk it into your bowl. Just get it nice and soapy. Shelly suds. Give it a whirl. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoe dry for a few hours, and as you can see, these cleaned up really, really well. No brainer, right? The Essential Kit always does its thing. Now, one thing I do want to mention, guys, is the texture on the suede is a little crunchy. As always, anytime you clean suede, it's gonna feel a little crunchier. So you have to go ahead and reset the nap. And I'm gonna do so using our suede brush here, which is kind of like a medium texture. So all you gotta do is hit it in multiple angles. You don't have to apply too much pressure. Let the brush do its thing. And just do it to the entire shoe. All right, guys, that is it. I am all done with these Union 4s. Go ahead and check out a side-by-side comparison. You can clearly see night and day that the Essential Kit went ahead and did its thing and got these cleaned up. Now, guys, don't forget to enter in our Essential Kit and 12-pack of wipes giveaway by commenting your Instagram below, like this video, and turn on post notifications. That is the only way that you can get entered to win. Let me know what you guys thought about today's video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.